All right, YouTube, seasoned boosted board modder, Sam Sheffer here. Today we've got a really fun one. These are Slick Revolution's 120 millimeter foamies. They're called foamies because they have a literal foam core. These wheels also have some sort of treading, and they're just absolutely gigantic. If you're new around here, this is a boosted V2 with 100 millimeter boas. I also have a Stealth with 100 millimeter boas, and the bigger the wheels, the higher top speed. So you sacrifice torque, you sacrifice range, but wow, do these things go fast with big wheels. So one thing to note with this mod, boosteds work with a pulley system, as in the belt rests on this pulley back here that's in the wheel. You need a conversion kit for these gigantic wheels. So you kind of just pop this in here, and then the wheels go on with this, but you need the conversion kit. And then also, when you're putting the pulleys in, you need to take out the center bearings in the back wheels, because this pulley has like a plastic thing that acts as a bearing. So if you're trying to jam this in here and it's not going, take out the bearing. Okay, after much deliberation between me and Daron behind the camera here, we're deciding not to use the belt covers, and by we're deciding, I mean that they don't fit on the board anymore because the wheels are so big. So that's just one thing to know while I'm doing this. Almost done. Okay, back wheels are on, belts have good tension. Front wheels. Before I get on the board, I just want to show you a quick size comparison with the wheels. They are absolutely gigantic in size. Okay, I'm gonna step on this board for the first time. Very high off the ground. My trucks are also pretty loose, just something to note. Okay, let's go fast. Oh, I can already feel it. Oh yeah, I'm getting the shakes. I've got the shakes completely. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I adjusted the tension of the trucks off camera. Feels much better. Maybe I'll need a little bit tighter, but first impressions, very high off the ground, very smooth ride. Again, treading on the tires. So far, great. And I gotta say, I don't feel the loss of torque slash acceleration that much. Like, I feel it, don't get me wrong, but it's not as drastic as I thought it would be.
Yeah, Sam, that's because you're used to riding big wheel boosted boards and you don't remember what it's like to ride a regular boosted board with normal size wheels and great acceleration and braking. Okay, back to the video.
Oh yeah, this is fast. Oh man. Also, I definitely need to leave some extra room for braking, because that's another thing that happens with these gigantic wheels. Can't brake as easily. And by brake as easily, I mean, if you have a boosted board, the braking is really good, acceleration's really good, but you just need to give yourself some extra room when you have modded wheels like this. Okay, I came to one of my favorite spots to do a top speed test. I think I'll have enough room. It's fast. It's fast. Something important to note, I'm riding a V2 with a standard range battery, so I'm missing a lot of weight. So in theory, that should help with top speed and just like overall weight of the board. But yeah, going over like these little potholes, manholes, little bumps and cracks, so much better than smaller wheels. So I just did 2 top speed tests and I was tucking. The ride app says my first run I hit 29.4 miles an hour, and my second run I hit 28.8 miles an hour. I saw 29 miles an hour both times in Waze. I'll tell you what, this feels faster than my white wheel V2. I think it feels about the same as the Stealth with red wheels, but in conclusion, if you have a boosted board, or an extra boosted board, I guess, that you wanna have some fun with, bigger wheels are a good starting point. Now remember, putting bigger wheels on means you'll probably have to change belts more often, means you lose torque, means you lose range, means you lose the ability to brake as well as a regular boosted board brakes, but in exchange, you're getting a pretty insane top speed. For a boosted board, of course. And riding my big wheel board so much has kind of spoiled me, where I only prefer boards with big wheels now. So this purple beast is probably gonna be one of my main boards now. I might put an extended range battery on it, but I kind of like how relatively light it is. Okay, that's it from me in New York. Smash like for more adventure time. Subscribe if you're new around here, and I'll see you next time.